Hey guys, Terry with Dallas Cool Air here. We're going to change this capacitor. First thing you need to do is go in the house, turn off the thermostat. If you don't do that, you might blow a fuse in the attic and this is a big pain. Second, you're going to turn the power off here. Now I've already been in the house, I've already turned off the thermostat, so now we're going to do the power. See that? Very easy. Just pulls right out. If you don't have one of these, you may have to go in your house, look for the breaker, find the one that goes to the condenser, turn it off. Now, very important. Oh, can you see me? Very important. We're not going to trust that. We turned it off, but you never know. Sometimes it's not really off. So get your favorite voltmeter. If you don't have one, go get one. Mine's the Fieldpiece. Set it to volts. Tip, if you follow these wires, which you see comes the gray coming out of the wall, it comes up to here. There's a black and a white. There's a white, there's a black. It goes to the bottom. Don't touch this now, but it goes to the bottom of the contactor, these screws. That's where we need to check the power. One on both terminals. Meter shows nothing. I usually go to ground from one terminal and then the next terminal to ground. If you want to be extra paranoid, you can check the top. And that's dead, it's safe to work on. You can also, this one's really easy to see inside, but you can't see it from the camera. That's probably going to confuse you, so we won't do that. Just follow your wires down here. Check it there. If it's dead, you're good. Now, all we gotta do is take the capacitor out. Now, I know where these wires go. I can rip them off, put them back all day long. If you're watching this video, you probably don't know. So, you should take a picture of it if you have a phone camera. Or write it down on paper. So you got black wire going to the F terminal. You got a yellow wire going to the hermetic. And you got two oranges going to the common. At least on this one we do. Yours may be different. Write it down, whatever it is. Now this capacitor can still shock you and still kill you even though the power's turned off. It holds a charge. So here's a new one. This one's never been charged up so I can touch them. These are what you don't want to touch, these top terminals. So usually when I pull the wires off, I use insulated needle nose pliers. And I carefully grab each wire and just pull it off. What you don't want to do is, hopefully you can see that, you don't want to be touching this wire with your pliers and then bring them down and short the terminals out. It'll explode in your face. So here we go. Just carefully bend this out of the way. Bring this out. And start pulling your wires off. There we go, it's off. That's still hot, do not touch it. If you have a discharge kit, which is just a resistor and 2 wires, you can discharge it. Put the black on your common terminal. The red on one of the other two terminals will start hermetic. Don't let that touch anything. It gets hot. Let that sit for a little bit. Move this over to the fan terminal. Let it sit for a little bit. It should take the power out of it, make it safe. So you can throw that to the side. Grab your new one. And there's my hermetic. Here's my fan. And my two combos. Like I said, your wires may be different colors, so don't go by what I said here. And there you go, that's it. Except for a little goof up right there where I got the wire wrapped around there. I'll fix that real quick. There we go. Now put your cover back on. Power. Okay, be right back. Let me turn the thermostat on. It works. Alright, turn it off for a second so we can hear. So you see it came on, it works. It's blowing hot air out the top. It's working good. This is my first video for how-to videos for air conditioning. If you want to see more, subscribe, like the video if you liked it. I hope it helped you. If it did, let me know in the comments. If you want me to make more videos, let me know that too. There's a lot of stuff we can make. We can do a video on a fan motor, compressor, contactor, just about anything. Just let me know. Until next time.